Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a BMW guys, F30 or F31 guys, and you're trying to replace the hinge for the trunk, okay, for your rear trunk guys, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that today. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need help with anything special, leave a comment below, and while we are having that car guys, we'll try to make the video and solve your problem. Quick detail guys, if you want to save even more money on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can order parts and tools for incredibly good price. So let me show you guys what you need to do. We don't have the window here, so we'll be able to explain you a little bit better, but practically you do not have to remove your rear window. What you will need to remove is that shelf panel guys, this cover right here. This is called a shelf panel, and the shelf panel, okay, it's this whole trim right here with the seat belt covers, okay, that piece. So that one will need to be removed and we will explain why, okay, in just a second. If you want to see the video, okay, it will be on the channel. It's called shelf panel removal on BMW F30. Then you need to open your trunk and you have two hinges guys, okay, one hinge here, one on this side. Now we'll demonstrate what needs to be done on the left side. We'll explain guys. Now we're not going to remove ours because we don't want to actually adjust our trunk, because you can move a little bit and the adjustment right now is perfect, but we will explain what needs to be done. Here you will have a cover like this one, which is not very complicated to remove, okay. You will have to remove a few things. We have the video on the channel, a clip here, you have that thing down there, the tie down, and you will be able to grab that cover and pull it out. So with that cover being out guys, okay, next thing will be you need to go ahead and okay, disconnect this spring right here. Okay, be careful, it's very powerful spring. Disconnect this one, and you will need to disconnect your trunk strut support shock guys right there. So pry that piece out a little bit, and at the same time, okay, careful not to fly in your eyes. Okay, that thing is going to come out. Now your trunk will actually try to fall down on you, but if you look down now, okay, you're going to notice that you have guys 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you cannot remove these bolts because there is no heads here. So what you need to do now, okay, in order to remove the hinge guys, you will need to remove 2 bolts right here, okay, 13mm socket, 2 bolts right there, so the trunk will not hold to that hinge, and I recommend to have a second person supporting the trunk while you're replacing it. And then why we removed the shelf cover here? Because we have 4 nuts that we need to remove, and it's these 4 nuts right here guys. Once you remove these 4 nuts, okay, and the 2 bolts here, the whole assembly will just drop down once you disconnected the spring and the strut shock support. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Just a quick explanation what needs to be done. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.